Hello, my dear student. We are studying chapter number 3. Chapter number 3, that is plant kingdom. That is plant kingdom that represent algae, bryophyte, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, and last one is the angiosperm. So, in class 11 we are studying about chapter number 3, that is plant kingdom. They represent algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte and gymnosperm. In this chapter we will learn about algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, angiosperm and gymnosperm. We are studying about algae already in the previous parts. So I will continue the types of algae. So let us consider. I told about the algae mainly divided into three main classes. That is chlorophyceae, theophyceae and rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae on the color basis, it contains chlorophyll, green in color, that is known as green algae. This theophyceae has the color contain brown color, this is known as brown algae. And this rhodophyceae colored is red, and this is known as red algae. So algae further divided into three main classes: chlorophyceae, theophyceae and rhodophyceae. That is green algae, brown algae and red algae. So let us start in detail. First, chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae के बारे में जानते हैं, ग्रीन एल्गी. इसके इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर क्या हैं? बहुत ही आसान है. So first, this chlorophyceae nature in colonial, filamentous and unicellular. ये क्या होते हैं? कॉलोनी में होते हैं, फिलामेंट होता है इनके पास और यूनिसेलुलर होते हैं. कौन? क्लोरोफाइसी. दे पोजेसेस क्लोरोफिल ए एंड बी. इनके पास क्या होता है? क्लोरोफिल ए और बी कंटेन करते हैं. कौन? क्लोरोफाइसी. नेक्स्ट, इट स्टोर्ड विथ प्रोटीन एंड स्टार्च. ये क्या करता है? स्टोर करता है क्या? प्रोटीन और स्टार्च को. सम एल्गी ऑफ दिस क्लोरोफाइसी स्टोर्ड इन ऑयल फॉर्म्स. ऑयल को भी, ऑयल फॉर्म में भी ये रहते हैं. सो सेल वॉल ऑफ दिस क्लोरोफाइसी इज रिजिड. इनर लेयर इज मेड अप फ्रॉम सेलुलोज एंड आउटर लेयर इज मेड अप फ्रॉम द पेक्टोज. बहुत ही आसान. देन एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन बाय फ्लैजेलेटेड जूस्पोर. इनके अंदर जो है सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन होता है वो फ्लैजेलेटेड जूस्पोर से होता है. और सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन किसके द्वारा होता है? आइसोगैमस, एंजियोगैमस एंड oogamous. अब आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है कि आइसोगैमस क्या है? जब दो फ्लैजेलेटेड आर्ट सिमिलर गैमेट एक साथ बाइंड होकर के फॉर्मेशन करते हैं गैमेट का, मेल एंड फीमेल, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं आइसोगैमस. आइसो मींस सेम. एंजियोगैमस मींस जब दो डिसिमिलर गैमेट एक दूसरे के साथ मिलकर के कंबाइन होंगे तो उसको हम बोलेंगे क्या? एंजियोगैमस. और लास्ट में है oogamous. इसमें क्या होता है? फ्लैजेलेटेड नॉन मोटाइल मेल गैमेट, फीमेल गैमेट, एंड दे हैव वन लार्ज अनदर इज वन स्मॉलर मोटाइल मेल गैमेट. जब कंबाइंड होते हैं तो उसको हम बोलते हैं भैया oogamous. फॉर एग्जांपल of this chlorophyceae, wallbox, Spirogyra and Chlamydomonas. एक बार फिर से, very simple. This is chlorophyceae, that is also known as green algae. This is colonial, filamentous, unicellular in nature. They possess, means they have chlorophyll A and B. They store protein and starch also present in the oil forms. Cell wall is rigid. Inner layer of cell wall is made up from the cellulose and outer layer is made up of pectose. Asexual reproduction takes place by flagellated zoospores and sexual reproduction takes place by isogamous, angiogamous and oogamous technique. For example of this chlorophyceae is wallbox, Spirogyra and Chlamydomonas. So this is about chlorophyceae. Next is Theophysi, that is brown algae. Next algae is Theophysi. Theophysi that present the brown algae, also known as, they mostly found in the marine habitat. Marine means salty water, in sea water, and they vary in size from simple branch to filamentous form, and their height may be kelp as the in the kelp 100 meter. Theophysi, their marine habitat vary size from simple branch to the filamentous form, and kelp height is 100 meter. They possess chlorophyll. They possess chlorophyll A and C, carotenoid, xanthophylls, and fucoxanthin. This found in marine habitat vary in size from simple to branched filamentous form. Their height come near about 100 meter in kelps, and they possess chlorophyll A and C, carotenoid, xanthophylls, and fucoxanthin. And food stored as carbohydrate in the form of laminarium and mannitol. In the Theophysi, food stored as the carbohydrate in the form of laminarium or mannitols, and cellulose wall with gelatinous coating of algine. In cellulose wall, in their cellulosic wall that with the gelatinous coat of algine. Vegetative reproduction by the fragmentation takes place in the Theophysi. Asexual reproduction is by flagellated zoospore, and sexual reproduction by isogamous, angiogamous, and oogamous. An example of this Theophysi: Laminaria, Sargassum, Ectocarpus, and Fucus. This is about Theophysi, brown algae. Brown algae, Theophysi मोस्टली पाए जाते हैं कहाँ पर? मरीन हैबिटेट में. इनकी साइज जो है वेरी करती है कहाँ से? सिंपल ब्रांच टू फिलामेंटस. इसकी हाइट जो होती है केल्प्स में 100 मीटर होती है. इनके पास क्या होता है? क्लोरोफिल ए एंड सी, कैरोटीनॉइड, xanthophylls एंड fucoxanthin. ये स्टोर करते हैं क्या? कार्बोहाइड्रेट किस रूप में? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लैमिनेरियम एंड मैनिटोल. इनके पास सेलुलोजिक वॉल होता है जो कंटेन करता है gelatinous coating, that is algine, and this in the vegetative reproduction takes place by the fragmentation process, and asexual reproduction in Theophysi by the flagellated zoospore, and sexual reproduction by the isogamous, angiogamous, and oogamous. Example of Theophysi is Laminaria, Sargassum, Ectocarpus, and Fucus. This is all about Theophysi, brown algae. This is second part of the algae that is divided in three parts: Chlorophysi, Theophysi, and Rhodophysi. Next class is Rhodophysi, that known as also red algae. They have red pigment called R phycoerythrin. Red phycoerythrin in short form. They have red pigment, that's why they are known as red algae. They are called R phycoerythrin. Mostly they are found in the marine water. Mostly this red algae is found in the marine water, and food stored as Floridian starch, which is similar to amylopectin and glycogen in structure. Food is stored as a Floridian starch, which is similar to amylopectin and glycogen in the structure. Food क्या होता है? स्टोर होता है इसमें फ्लोरिडियन के रूप में, फ्लोरिडियन स्टार्च के रूप में, जो कि किसकी तरह होता है? amylopectin और glycogen की तरह स्ट्रक्चर में. In this, vegetative reproduction takes place by the process of fragmentation. इसमें जो वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन होता है, रिप्रोडक्शन है, वो किसके द्वारा होता है? फ्रेगमेंटेशन प्रोसेस से होता है. एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन किसके द्वारा होता है? इसमें नॉन मोटाइल स्पोर्स के थ्रू होता है. Asexually they are non-motile spores sexually by non-motile gametes. In this rhodophycy, asexual reproduction takes place by the non-motile spores and sexual reproduction takes place by the non-motile gamete. For example, they have many more examples: Porphyria, Gracilaria, and Giladium, etc. So this is about rhodophycy. rhodophycy क्या है? रेड एल्गी है। क्यों ये रेड एल्गी है? क्योंकि इसके पास रेड पिगमेंट पाया जाता है जिसका नाम है आर फाइकोएरिथ्रिन। इसका हाइब्रिड क्या है? मरीन वाटर में होता है। ये स्टोर करते हैं फ्लोरिडीन स्टार्च को किस रूप में? ग्लाइकोपेक्टेन के और ग्लूकोजन के रूप में। इनका वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन होता है किसके थ्रू? फ्रेगमेंटेशन के द्वारा। एसेक्सुअली ये क्या होते हैं? नॉन मोटाइल स्पोर से बने होते हैं और सेक्सुअली ये नॉन मोटाइल गैमेट से बने होते हैं। और इसका एग्जांपल है पोरफायरा, ग्रेसिलेरिया एंड जिलेडियम। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट 3 कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ द subdivision of main class of the algae: chlorophycy, phaeophycy and rhodophycy. At last, conclusion of algae and their subclasses. Here I prepared about the division of algae along with their main characters. algae में कैसे कौन सा डिवीजन है और उसके क्या क्या मेन कैरेक्टर हैं. So let us focus mainly algae is classes already you know in the previous chapter: chlorophycy, phaeophycy and rhodophycy. algae subclass are divided into three class that is chlorophycy, phaeophycy and rhodophycy. The common name of chlorophycy is the green algae. Common name of phaeophycy is brown algae and rhodophycy's common name is red algae. This is general introduction of algae. Chlorophycy, green algae; phaeophycy, brown algae; and rhodophycy is red algae. Common topic: their major pigment. Which pigment is found in that particular algae? In the phaeophycy, chlorophyll A and B found. In the phaeophycy means green algae, chlorophyll A and B present. In the phaeophycy, chlorophyll A and C and hexoxanthin present. Along that, carotenoid also present in this phaeophycy. Phaeophycy has the chlorophyll A and C with hexoxanthin and carotenoid. In the rhodophycy, chlorophyll A and D present and they are red in color. So they have their pigment is also called phycoerythrin. rhodophycy में chlorophyll A and D पाया जाता है और उसमें कौन सा पिगमेंट पाया जाता है? R phycoerythrin. This is about major pigment which is found in these algae. And storing of food in the form of in the chlorophycy, food stored in the form of starch. In the phaeophycy, food stored as mannitol and laminarian form. And in the rhodophycy, food stored in the form of Floridian starch, that is near about amylopectin and glucogen. So this come on to cell wall. Cell wall of chlorophycy is made up from cellulose. Cell wall of rhodophycy is made up from cellulose and algine. And cell wall of rhodophycy made up of cellulose, pectin and polysulfate ester. This is about cell wall. And habitat of these three subdivision of the algae. Habitat: chlorophycy most found in fresh water, brackish water and salt water. Fresh water, what is fresh water? Fresh water in which the salt concentration is less is called fresh water. brackish water have more salinity comparison to the fresh water. More salinity means water salt concentration is more comparison to fresh water, but not as marine water. And salt water means they are also known as marine water, mostly found in the sea water. Fresh water, less concentration of salt. Brackish water, concentration of salt more than fresh water, and this salt water concentration is more than comparison to brackish and fresh water. So this chlorophyll found in fresh water, brackish water and salt water. PO5C rarely found in fresh water, बहुत ही कम पाए जाते हैं, and found in brackish. After that, mostly found in brackish water and salt water. So we can say PO5C mostly found in brackish water and salt water because they survive in the mostly salinity medium in the water. And rhodophyce habitat is fresh water. Sometimes this rhodophyce found in fresh water. Some rhodophyce found in fresh water and mostly found in brackish water and along that salt water. So this is all about general division of the classes of algae, that is chlorophyce represent brown, green algae, PO5C represent brown algae, and rhodophyce represent the red algae, and along that their major pigment, storage of food, cell wall and habitat. This is all about algae and their subclasses.